How to create a beautiful garden on a low budget. Creating a beautiful garden does not have to mean spending a fortune. With creativity, patience, and a bit of resourcefulness, you can design a space that feels lush and welcoming without draining your budget. A low-budget garden often ends up being more personal and charming, because it reflects effort, imagination, and care rather than expensive purchases. The first step to saving money is working with what you already have. Before buying anything new, take a good look at your space. Are there existing plants that can be divided and replanted? Many perennials such as hostas, daylilies, or irises can be split into smaller clumps and spread across the garden, giving you more plants for free. Even herbs like mint and oregano spread quickly and can be transplanted into different areas. Seeds are another low-cost way to fill your garden with beauty. While purchasing mature plants can be expensive, a packet of seeds costs very little and can grow into dozens of plants. Vegetables like beans, lettuce, and radishes sprout quickly and are satisfying for beginners, while flowers such as marigolds, cosmos, and sunflowers bring bursts of color for pennies. Saving seeds from one season's harvest ensures you have even more plants for the next year. Repurposing everyday items is another trick. Old containers, buckets, or even wooden crates can be turned into unique planters. A chipped teapot, a worn-out tire, or a discarded ladder can all find new life in the garden. Not only does this save money, but it also adds character and charm. A garden full of creative upcycled containers often looks more inviting than one filled with uniform store-bought pots. Soil enrichment can be done without buying commercial fertilizers. Composting kitchen scraps like vegetable peels, coffee grounds, and eggshells produces rich, organic matter that feeds plants naturally. Even simple mulch made from fallen leaves or grass clippings helps retain moisture and suppress weeds at no cost. For additional nutrition, you can make homemade liquid fertilizers from soaked banana peels, rice water, or diluted compost tea. When it comes to design, focus on layout rather than costly accessories. Group plants with similar needs together so they thrive with less maintenance. Arrange flowers in clusters for visual impact instead of scattering them. Use pathways made from inexpensive gravel, wood chips, or even broken bricks to create structure. A thoughtful design costs nothing but gives your garden a polished appearance. Community sharing is another wonderful way to grow a garden affordably. Many gardening groups and neighbors are happy to exchange seeds, cuttings, or extra plants. Joining a seed swap or plant exchange event can introduce new varieties to your garden without spending money. You may even make friends who share your passion for gardening. Time and patience are also powerful tools. Buying small starter plants is cheaper than purchasing fully grown ones. With a little care, they will mature beautifully. Gardening is a slow art, and the reward of watching plants grow is part of the joy. A low-budget garden thrives on imagination. Stringing fairy lights powered by solar energy can make evenings magical. Painting rocks to use as garden markers or borders adds a personal touch. Even simple DIY trellises made from bamboo sticks or recycled wood can support climbing plants in style. In the end, what makes a garden beautiful is not how much money you spend but how much love you give. A low-budget garden carries stories in every plant and every reused object. It becomes a place of creativity, care, and natural beauty, proving that with vision and effort, anyone can create a stunning space without overspending.